After 5 days of hiking, we are now at Lingboche. Elevation is 4,410 meters above sea level. Finally, I am above 4,400 meters. Lingboche, and we came from Pangboche, which is at around 3,950 meters above sea, 85 meters above sea level. So that is an ascent of 4,425 meters. 4 hours ang hike namin. Sinabihan ako ng hike tsaka hike guide at saka ng aming porter na dahan-dahan lang kasi nakakapagod, nakakapagpakaunti ng oxygen ang pagkanta sa trail like what I did yesterday. Ang mabilis na pag-akyat at yung dami ng pagsasalita ko, kaya bawasan ko na daw. Okay? Sige, maraming salamat. Let's go to our hotel.